Welcome to the MEYLE Mechanics. Today it's all about the MEYLE-HD transmission mount for Mercedes-Benz. We're going to demonstrate how to diagnose a defective transmission mount.
It is important to know that a defective transmission mount has the same impact on driving comfort as a defective engine mount, because both have an almost identical design. In fact, the only difference is where they are located in the car. So you can diagnose a defective transmission mount in the same way you would diagnose a defective engine mount.
The following animation shows you where the transmission mount is located and which parts it is connected to.
Many transmission mounts wear out quickly. Watch this animation to see why this is the case.
There are two different ways in which you can diagnose a defective transmission mount. First, check for a knocking sound. Worn transmission mounts can be heard knocking, for example, when the engine is turned on or off.
You can also hear a knocking sound during engine load change. However, you have to make sure that the knocking noise does not come from the flex disc hitting the prop shaft.
And the second way to spot transmission mount damage is simply by looking.
This is where the transmission mount is located. Here you can see if the transmission mount is worn, which is the case when the rubber shows cracks. Check the edges, as this is where cracks usually develop.
If the transmission mount gives a knocking sound, if it shows cracks in the rubber, or has been running for at least 80,000 to 100,000 kilometers, replacement is definitely overdue.
If you don't replace it, the remaining system components can be damaged too. The exhaust system may leak or the engine mounts break under the additional play in the system.
Also, you will feel unpleasant vibration when driving, which is passed on from the transmission to the vehicle body.
The MEYLE-HD transmission mount offers several benefits. For example, the rubber compound was carefully reformulated and the design improved.
The rubber formulation of our MEYLE-HD version was specially refined to make it suitable for several different vehicle models. This means that to service different Mercedes-Benz models, you will only need one part.
The next animation gives a summary of all the special product features. To find the MEYLE part you need, for example, the MEYLE-HD transmission mount, see your MEYLE stockist.
There is more to discover on our website, www.meyle.com. And don't forget to check out the MEYLE Facebook page for additional information and news.